Hey, what's going on everyone? You just kicked that great beer and now it's time for the worst part of the hobby. Keg cleaning. Today we're going to show you how to deep clean a Sanke Keg with a bucket blaster, and we're going to be removing the spear to make it easier. So ideally you're going to be filling this with water that's about 140 degrees Fahrenheit or about 60 degrees Celsius. We're going to use about 10 liters of water, and I'm going to be putting in 60 grams of PBW.
Then you're going to want to drop the bucket blaster or cleaning pump in the water, plug it in. I used the switched plug, put on the cleaning coupler, and release the keg pressure in the sink. You will then remove the keg spear. To do this, I use a small flathead screwdriver, get it under the end of the retaining ring, put the screwdriver between the first and second layer of the ring, then rotate around the spear body until the ring is removed. Then turn the spear body to align with the notches and remove the spear. Rinse off the keg spear, then put it in the PBW. I use a 4-inch pipe cut to length and fill it with the PBW. Be sure to release the pressure when you drop it in so the cleaner will fill the down tube. Put the keg on the pump in the PBW bucket and turn it on. After 15 or so minutes, remove the keg spear from the PBW and give it a good scrub. One final rinse, then set it somewhere clean and dry. I 3D printed a semi-crappy spear holder to do this. Turn off the pump and remove the keg. Visually inspect the inside for stubborn gunk, then triple rinse the keg to get rid of the cleaner. Rinse off the pump, then set up a bucket with your sanitizer. Put the keg in the setup and turn on the pump. If using Star Sand, run it until you get annoyed at all the foam everywhere. Now it's time to sanitize the spear. Soak it in sanitizer, and if not fully submerged, make sure to coat everything with sanitizer and let it sit for a bit. Replace the spear and make sure to lock it in place, then replace the retaining ring. I spread it a bit, then use slip joint pliers to slowly press it in the channel one layer at a time. It can be frustrating and might take a bit of practice. Once that's done, I hook up a coupler that has been set up for CO2 to enter the keg through the spear. This will purge from the bottom up, and I do an initial pressurization to 10 or so psi. Then I release the pressure and open the spunning valve. I slowly let CO2 flow through the keg for about 5 minutes. More time is better to guarantee a successful oxygen purge. I fill it back up to 5 or so psi and then release the coupler. The keg is ready for your next batch.